Hi guys, as chairman of the board, I'm welcoming you to the board meeting 2026 FYI. Hope everybody had lovely holidays. I can see some of you have good bubble eyes. Some of you big bellies, which you didn't know from last year, from all the cherries, jellies, custards, whatever you've been taking over December. We just don't know. But I'm checking all of you guys. You actually look good. You actually look good. Never mind Unobuso Vuvuvele from all the cocktails you've been taking and what have you. And be proud of your bellies. We don't know. Whatever you've been taking, it's fine. You know what you've been doing. Mara, to open this meeting, I would like to open the meeting on a clear protocol of openness, on a clear protocol of security. And for security reasons, can everybody just introduce themselves? Well, I'm your chairman of the day. Can everybody introduce themselves? Just give us a little bio, and then for security reasons, share all declarations, and then we'll proceed with the meeting. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.